Hello, I am Stuart. Here in the video we will share the details for the first Descendant error code 121035. The error reads, Network error. As per our research, this error prevents players from logging into the game using their Nexon account. Before trying anything else, restart your PS5 and check if the error still appears. Some users found that unlinking and then relinking their Nexon account fixed the issue. It is possible that your account was mistakenly recognized as a child account or something similar. So, try unlinking and then relinking your Nexon account and see if this helps with the issue. If you still get the error, then try logging in using a different Nexon account, such as a friend or family member's account. If the other account works, then the issue is specific to your Nexon account. In that case, contact Nexon support and report the issue for further assistance. So, there you have it. To fix the error, restart your device, unlink and relink your Nexon account, try another Nexon account, or reach out to Nexon support if needed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.